The young boy walked beside the wise Zen master, his eyes lowered, his heart heavy. The morning sun painted golden lines on the path, but the boy felt none of its warmth. "Master," he whispered, "how can a person stay positive in every situation?" The master did not reply. He simply kept walking, his wooden staff tapping gently on the stone path. After a while, he said softly, "There is a secret. But you must see it, not hear it." The boy frowned, confused, yet curious. They reached a quiet stream. The water was clear, calm, and full of shimmering light. The master asked the boy to sit. Minutes passed in silence. Only the sound of flowing water filled the air. Finally, the master picked up a small stone and dropped it into the stream. Ripples spread across the water, but only for a moment. Soon, the surface became peaceful again. "Did you see?" the master asked. "Yes," the boy replied. The water moved. Then it became calm. The master smiled gently. Life is the same. Every situation creates ripples. Some are big, some small. But your mind must be like this water, able to return to peace. The boy looked at the stream. "But master, how? My mind doesn't become calm so easily." The master stood and motioned for the boy to follow. They continued through the forest until they reached a field of wildflowers dancing in the wind. The master plucked a single flower and placed it in the boy's hand. "Tell me," the master said, "when the wind blows, does the flower stop growing?" The boy shook his head. "No, master. It keeps growing. And when clouds hide the sun, does the flower stop reaching for light?" "No, master. That," the master said softly, "is the secret." The boy blinked. "I don't understand." The master looked at the flower gently. "The flower does not control the wind or the sun. It cannot stop storms, and it cannot command the sky. Yet it stays open. It keeps growing. It keeps reaching for whatever little light it finds." The boy felt something move inside his heart. They walked again, this time toward a quiet village. As they entered, they saw a man shouting angrily at a young vendor. The boy felt tension rise inside him, but the master watched with calm eyes. After the angry man left, the master approached the vendor and gently asked if he was all right. The vendor nodded and smiled weakly. The master then turned to the boy and said, "Did you see?" The man carried a storm inside him. The vendor carried a small candle. The storm tried to blow it out, but the candle stayed lit. The boy whispered, "How did it stay lit?" "Because the vendor chose not to give his light away," the master replied. "And that choice is the deepest secret." The boy breathed slowly. His heart felt lighter, softer. "So, staying positive means protecting the light inside?" The master smiled. "Yes, not denying storms, not pretending everything is perfect, but keeping one small light burning inside you, no matter what comes." The boy looked up at the sky. Clouds were moving, but rays of sunlight still slipped through. He felt peace for the first time that day. As they began walking back to the monastery, the boy whispered, "Master, will the light ever go out?" The master placed his arm gently around the boy's shoulder. "Only if you stop believing in it. As long as you breathe, as long as your heart hopes, the light will always return." They walked toward the setting sun, the earth glowing gold around them, and the boy felt something beautiful, a quiet strength rising within him, like a candle that refused to fade. The secret was simple. The secret was powerful. The secret was his now. This is God of Motive. Thanks for watching and stay focused.